Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the BlissfulTails Ring Sizing Kit. Designed to help you find the perfect size for your BlissfulTails smart ring before you place an order. If you've ever struggled with picking the right ring size online, this kit promises to make the process effortless. The BlissfulTails Ring Sizing Kit comes with 10 sample rings, covering sizes 5 through 14. This allows both men and women to test different sizes across multiple fingers. Whether you're thinking about wearing your smart ring on your index, middle, or ring finger. The idea is simple. You can try on these samples during your daily activities. From typing on your laptop to cooking in the kitchen, to see which size feels most comfortable and secure throughout the day and night. One of the standout features of this kit is how it's specifically tailored to the BlissfulTails smart ring. The sizing follows the exact standards of the smart ring itself, which means that once you find your fit with the kit, you can order your smart ring with confidence, avoiding the frustration of returns or wrong size orders. The kit is easy to use. Each sample ring is lightweight and designed to slide on and off your fingers without hassle. You can wear multiple sizes at the same time to compare and see which one feels natural for you. It's also compact, making it convenient to use at home or even while traveling. Inside the box, you'll find the 10 sizing rings along with a user manual that guides you through the process. The kit itself doesn't include the smart ring, so keep in mind this is just a tool to ensure your future BlissfulTails ring fits perfectly. With the BlissfulTails Ring Sizing Kit, you no longer have to rely on guesswork or generic ring charts. You get a real-life test of how the ring feels on your fingers during daily use, helping you make a more informed decision when purchasing your smart ring. Overall, this is a practical accessory for anyone serious about getting a comfortable, accurate fit for their BlissfulTails smart ring. It's designed to make the sizing process stress-free, efficient, and precise. That's it for today's product critique. If you're planning to order a BlissfulTails smart ring, the ring sizing kit might just save you time, money, and the hassle of returns. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews.